Good morning, everyone. The stock market finally got moving after a pretty dull start to the week and actually pretty negative as we kind of had felt like relentless selling, even though it was minor. I guess we're so used to this tape melting up every day that you get a little sketchy whenever we don't move up every day. But the Nasdaq hit new 13-year highs. Volume was below average, but once again, since 2009, that has not mattered, so it continues not to matter. New York Stock Exchange, you can see, was up big, 1.14%. The S&P 500 was up 1.12% on Friday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average up 1.26%, very strong day, and the Russell 2000 was only up 0.79%, but it's getting near old highs. But overall, market's looking fine, trending above the 50 and 200-day moving average, and I think the Nasdaq's even above the 5-day moving average, if I am not mistaken. Yep, even above the 5-day moving average. So that's about as bullish as you can get. We're above all the simple moving averages. And on with that note, with the strong move on Friday, we can take half of our hedge off in the ProShares Russell 2000. So SRTY is going to be a 50% sell, and then DRRX is going to be a 25% sell. As sometimes I just want to increase it sometimes, but it's closing below the 20-day moving average on heavy volume, and that follows a minor sell-off. I thought I had a bullish intraday reversal the day before, but today or Friday proved that it does not want to move higher. That's all on the sell end, though. We don't have anything besides that. Looking at longs, we have 4 new longs. 2 are of higher quality, and by higher quality with Crane, it's a slow mover. It doesn't have any big earnings and sales growth, but still it's breaking out of a very nice ascending base pattern, or you could call it a base on top of a base on top of a base. I don't care what you call it, but as you can see, it's breaking out to a new high on very strong volume. So CR is going to be in both accounts, 2%. Also, I don't like this one as much, but I don't know how. If we just get really insane parabolic, this one will work. If not, we're not going to lose that much money. 2% at the most on a 2% position. But it's producing a pocket pivot point buy signal, breakout on heavy volume to new highs. Cognizant Technology. The 2 speculative ones are actually my favorites, and if this was 1998 to 2007, I could say that, hey, we'll probably get a 50% to 300% bagger from this chart pattern. Sadly, these amazing chart patterns that I used to love and used to make me such beautiful, 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 beautiful returns just don't work like they do. However, FONR and OTIV, both of these guys have earnings and sales catalyst. Expectations for next year are good. So the very, very nice chart patterns hopefully will work. However, I thought that with coal, boy, that one seemed hot, and it failed. However, it's still basing. It could still work again. But FONR has a stronger pattern, and OTIV does also. But, adjust your risk accordingly, what you want to invest. I'm just going to do 2% in both of the risk accounts, but I like these 2 stocks very much. It's also near the support levels, so if it's going to move, it's not like it's a late breakout or anything. We're getting around support levels. All right, everybody, have a great Monday. I'll see you on Tuesday. Aloha.